Welcome to this full body Reiki healing for emotional balance. I'm Lisa, your Reiki master, and I welcome you to this full body Reiki healing session for emotional balance. Today we will embark on a journey of releasing emotional imbalances, restoring peace, and finding harmony within the body, mind, and spirit. This session is designed to bring you back into alignment, focusing on healing the heart and solar plexus chakras, which are the centers of your emotional power and love. Please find a place where you won't be disturbed. Consent to accept the Reiki and settle into a comfortable position. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes and let your body relax. Take a deep breath in, feeling the air fill your lungs. And as you exhale, release any tension you may be carrying. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more and more grounded, connected to the present moment. As we begin, imagine a beautiful radiant light surrounding your body, a protective, healing light that welcomes you into this space of deep emotional healing. Let's start by focusing on your crown chakra, the space at the top of your head. Feel, sense, or imagine my hands gently resting above this area, channeling pure Reiki energy down into your crown. Feel this energy clearing away any mental confusion or emotional overwhelm. Allow it to bring clarity and peace, softening the thoughts that may be contributing to emotional imbalances. With each breath, let go of anything clouding your mind. You are safe and you are supported. Next, we move to your third eye chakra, the center of your intuition. Imagine, sense, or feel my hands hovering over this space between your brows. Reiki energy is flowing in now, helping you trust yourself, trust your feelings, and trust your inner guidance. Any emotional confusion you've been holding on to begins to dissolve here. Breathe into this space, feeling a deep sense of understanding and inner knowing. Now, bring your attention to your throat chakra. And as my hands move over this area, feel the warmth of Reiki energy filling this area. The throat is the center of your communication, not only with others, but with yourself. This energy is clearing away any blockages that have kept you from expressing your emotions fully. It's okay to speak your truth. It's okay to feel. Allow this energy to open up your throat, allowing your emotions to flow freely with love and compassion. We now move to your heart chakra. Feel the warmth of my hands as I channel Reiki into your heart. This is the space where we hold our deepest emotions: love, pain, joy, sadness. Allow any emotional imbalances to rise to the surface here. Whatever needs healing, let it come forward. You are safe. You are loved. Imagine the Reiki energy gently mending any cracks or wounds in your heart space, filling it with pure love and light. As you breathe, repeat these affirmations in your mind. I am worthy of love. I allow myself to feel fully and release what no longer serves me. My heart is open, healed, and whole. Let these words fill you with warmth and compassion. Now, let's focus on your solar plexus chakra, your center of personal power and emotional resilience. Imagine, sense, or feel my hands hovering above your stomach as the Reiki energy flows in. This is where we often hold fear, insecurity, and doubt. Any emotional instability connected to your sense of self or personal strength is now being released. Breathe deeply, and as you exhale, feel the weight of those emotions lifting, dissolving into the light. Repeat these affirmations to yourself. I am strong. I trust in my ability to navigate I stand in my power with confidence and grace. Let the Reiki energy empower you, filling you with a deep sense of confidence and emotional stability. Moving down now to your sacral chakra, just below your navel. And as you imagine, sense, or feel my hands here, feel the flow of Reiki energy igniting your creativity, passion, and emotional balance. Any blockages tied to guilt, shame, or emotional instability are being healed. Allow this energy to flow freely through you. bringing you back to a space of emotional fluidity and joy. You are free to feel, express, and embrace your emotions with balance and grace. Finally, let's focus on your root chakra, the base of your spine, where your deepest sense of safety resides. Feel the energy of Reiki grounding you, stabilizing any lingering emotional turbulence. This energy is reminding you that you are safe, supported, and rooted in strength. Any feelings of instability or fear are being gently released into the earth, replaced with a sense of security and peace. Repeat these affirmations in your mind. I am grounded. I am safe in my emotions. I trust in the stability of my life and my emotional journey. Breathe deeply, feeling this grounding energy connecting you to the earth. Imagine, sense, or feel now that I am at your abdomen, sealing in this Reiki healing session. Now, at the right side of your body, from head to toe, imagine, sense, or feel that I am fanning away any residual energy 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Moving to the left side of your body, from head to toe, imagine, sense, or feel I am fanning away any residual energy that no longer serves you 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now, from the bottom of your feet to the top of your head, pulling over you a blanket of golden light. This light is sealing in this Reiki energy and also protecting you, protecting your energy as you move forward from this session. Giving gratitude to the archangels, ascended masters, and Reiki masters who have come before with this gift of beautiful Reiki energy to heal emotional imbalances. Take a moment to feel the balance and harmony now flowing through your body. Your emotions are at peace, your heart is healed, and your personal power is restored. Know that this Reiki energy will continue to work within you long after the session ends. When you're ready, you can start to bring your awareness back to the room. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes and take one final deep breath in and exhale. Thank you for allowing me to guide you in this beautiful Reiki healing session. You are strong, you are balanced, and you are worthy of all the peace and love in the universe. With love and light, namaste.